this is a normal flashlight that you can buy in any store. And this is the same flashlight after a few modifications. So this right here is the flashlight that I want to modify. It's a pretty good flashlight for just doing some stuff, but I want something a little bit more powerful. As you can see, the flashlight inside right here is made out of this piece that makes out of the light, that it's basically a lot of these small LEDs put together to make lots of light. As you can see, these LEDs are quite powerful, a lot of light, but I want to make this with a little bit more powerful LEDs. For that I'm gonna use these LEDs right here. These LEDs that I'm gonna show right here are really powerful, look at this. To put all of the LEDs in the flashlight, I 3D printed this piece right here that perfectly fits inside, and then you can just put all of the powerful LEDs inside. So let's do that.
Problem with the solder around that, and for that I'm gonna change it. Okay, so we now have the music, so we can start soldering. A bit of time I finally managed to finish the soldering everywhere. Yeah, it looks a little bit messy, and let me tell you, this was not fun to solder because constantly things started to disconnect and everything. But now it finally works. Let me show you how powerful this is. Look at this. This is pretty bright. Now what we need to do is to put this inside the flashlight. I hope I can just fit it inside of the old piece like this, and then we have to connect it somehow to the body of the flashlight. I think the problem could be also that the batteries that I have inside are too weak for this. I'm gonna probably soon have to upgrade to something like this. Is a lithium-ion battery. It's much more powerful than the other ones. Then we put around here some tape to not make it spread itself out. Also make it fit a little bit better. But also just to make sure, we're gonna add some hot glue right here to this part, so that it does not disconnect the wire, so it's a little bit more secure. The idea was to basically use this piece of cardboard to put on the flashlight and cut around like this. Now that we have painted this piece of cardboard, as you can see, it's pretty much okay for what we're gonna do. Now what we need to do is basically, I should have done this before putting everything inside, is make the two wires pass to this part. Just try to assemble everything. We add the piece of the plastic. Let's hope the separator will do its job, and no, that's not what I hoped that it would happen. Why did it get stuck? There you go. Let's get my phone. As you can see, let's turn the lights off. Yeah, wait, my phone has lights too. Yeah, it's pretty what? Yeah, okay, if the camera does not adjust, it's pretty bright. As you can see, it illuminates the entire room.